It is the best. We had at a beach house and we used to play with this all day. You guys have a beach house? That's nice. That's really nice. I was always thinking as a kid like a beach house plus that ball. And I now speak about like a beach house on the sea. Damn, shoutouts. Shoutouts to your parents. That is cool. A beach house. I don't know how they are, but they have a beach house and that's already kind of cool. A beach house. That sounds also so cool. Like imagine you tell your family, hey, your friends, I'm living in a beach house. True. I have an irrational fear of beach houses. It's Gucci for a vacation, but I ain't living in one. Yeah, the only thing with a beach house, I was always thinking like, what is when the waves are coming, you know? That's the reason I think, okay, I also talked with this actually recently with Mr. Greek Guy, with Greek Guy about this. Perfect house would be on a cliff above like the sea level, like on a high cliff, so like the tornadoes, the tsunamis, the bigger waves can't get me, you know? And then in the morning, you can't walk out and you're instantly in the beach. Now you have to go down like 200 stairs to go down, then you are at the beach, then you can look. And then sometimes you're sitting there with your friends, you look outside over the waves, you know. That would be a dream, to be honest. You will get it soon, Zoels. Soon, for real. Forgot about the waves, but 24 cents on everything, true. But you know, while you then walk up the 200 stairs, you lose the sand on your feet. The stairs would kill me. Yeah, but then you have like also, like your friends are coming over and they're asking you like, damn, you're living in a beach house? And damn, you have like calves like a man. And you're like, yeah, 200 stairs. Are you sure that's a vacation? I'm a skinny legend. The calories from the friends, you know, they have to be burnt, you know. That's also nice. You can really eat good pizza on the beach with your friends and then you walk up and the pizza is already burnt, you know. I ain't living on a mountain either. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Yes, a tree house. Oh, a tree house also nice. But with a tree house, like my whole house on a tree, like for my kids, 100%, you know. That is also what I built when I was younger. But a full house on the trees, I would be a little bit scared that it breaks, you know. Treehouse equals bugs. Yeah, but what kind of treehouse are we talking about right now? Like the kids' treehouses, they have to have bugs, no? Yeah, just overall, like now I was thinking about cities, but for example, the Toscana is like an area in Italy. I think I'm really in love with this area because they have like, I know, I told you guys what my dream house would be. On a moment, I have it. Look. So, you know, the Toscana is like a place in Italy with a wonderful hills, you know, not the mountains, but with the hills. And for some reason, I was there oftentimes as a child and I thought those houses are just beautiful, you know. Those are like in the middle of those hills, you have like a long street. And with all those cypress trees, and I don't know, I think it's very nice. This would be my dream house, you know. That's the reason I would say Toscana is also one of the most beautiful places I would love to be, you know.